this video we are making the evenmost stitch. The evenmost stitch is just a repeat of 2 stitches, the slip stitch and the half double crochet, and this is the effect that it creates. So for your project you need your ball of yarn. Any yarn is perfectly fine. You need your crochet hook and a pair of scissors. Begin by making a slip knot and make an even number of chains. So I have an even number of chains here. So once you have the chain that you want for your project, into the second stitch from hook, you go in with a slip stitch. And into the next stitch you go in with a half double crochet. Slip stitch into the next stitch, and half double crochet into the next stitch. Slip stitch, half double crochet. Repeat that to the end of your row. And at the end of your row you should end with a slip stitch. Okay, you start off with a slip stitch and end on a slip stitch. Chain 1 and turn your work. So into that slip stitch you go in with a slip stitch, and the half double crochet you go in with a half double crochet. You slip stitch into the slip stitch and half double crochet into the half double crochet. So that means every slip stitch in the next row gets a slip stitch, and every half double crochet gets the half double crochet. So repeat that to the end of your row, slip stitching into the slip stitches and half double crocheting into the half double crochets. Half double crochet and slip stitch into the last stitch. Chain 1 and turn your work. We are going to repeat the same thing. Slip stitches get slip stitches, and half double crochet you half double crochet. I forgot to tell you guys that when you're making your slip stitches, don't make them too tight. Your tension should be loose, so that when you're working into them you don't have trouble finding those stitches. Slip stitch, half double crochet, slip stitch, half double crochet, slip stitch, half double crochet, slip stitch, and turn, chain 1 and turn. Repeat the same thing. Okay, you slip stitch into the slip stitch and half double crochet into your half double crochets, and that's how the pattern works. After making a few rows, you can see the effect of the 2 stitches. It creates this bumpy look. And you can keep going until you get the size of the blanket that you're working on, or until you have the desired length for whatever project you're working on. And that's how you make a even moss stitch. You start off with a slip stitch and end on a slip stitch.